Hi everyone, today we'll be presenting our project called PrioVax. By the end of this year, at least 22.5 million Canadians are expected to be vaccinated in an effort to achieve herd immunity from COVID-19. While the federal government is able to help us procure vaccines and create guidelines, provinces are often held responsible for the actual rollout and distribution of these vaccines. That's why we've decided to create a solution to help facilitate local vaccine distribution and prioritize treatments for at-risk groups.
Welcome to PrioVax. Hospitals and clinics wanting to create effective vaccine distribution schedules can start by signing in. Once in, they can begin by importing their existing patient records via CSV or the Create Patient form. In order to obtain the best results with our machine learning prioritization, imported patient data must contain age, gender, and a list of the patient's pre-existing conditions. Now that the clinic's patient data has been imported into our Firestore database, we can trigger a cloud function to run our ML model against the clinic's patient data and obtain our prioritization values. Sorting by priority, we see Lynn Thurber, an 86-year-old with both cancer and diabetes as pre-existing conditions, is selected to be one of the first to receive a COVID-19 vaccination. Conversely, we see Jake Bisson, a 27-year-old with no pre-existing conditions, will be among the last to receive a vaccination. Using this value, we may schedule appointments to ensure the vaccine is administered to those who need it most first. To facilitate appointments, PrioVax leverages the Vonage API to instantly notify hundreds of patients of their available vaccine appointments via SMS.
Here's the tech stack used in our app.
Via Dropbase, we were able to import raw data using CSV files and complete data processing based on our needs. After processing, we were able to export the data and set up a live database under REST API. This allows us to continuously improve and update our data as we need.
Using our data from Dropbase, we used Python and the sklearn library to build a logistic regression model used to identify high-risk patients within a community. We then deployed our algorithm using Google Cloud Functions for use in our application.
As we see in the demo, we were able to send notification to all patients informing them to book their vaccination appointment based on their priority order. And in the image to the right, we see an example of a scheduling alert that is sent out to our patients.
Okay, and that's all for our presentation. Thank you so much for listening.